Hello, welcome to my channel Neelam's Beauty Hub. I hope you guys are okay and enjoying my videos so far. So today I have something new for you guys, how to apply henna tattoo on your hands just in 5 minutes on both hands. Usually what happens is when you are a henna artist yourself, you can't apply henna on your hand, which if you're right-handed you can't apply henna on your right hand. So if you're left-handed you cannot apply on your left hand. So I'm going to tell you a hack where you can apply henna on both of your hands. So keep watching. That's how they look. They come in this pack and you just need to peel and stick on. I'm just gonna choose this one and I'm just gonna cut it right in the middle like this. Like this one. So I'm gonna apply this one on right hand and this one on left hand. So that's it. So make sure your hands are nice and clean. There should not be any particles or there should not be any moisture on your hands. And I'm just slightly gonna peel this thing first. Okay, and I'm gonna peel this black thing. Just gently pull it off and I'm gonna apply this over my hand just like this, and I'm gonna press it hard. So that's how it looks like. So I'm gonna take this henna with me and I'm gently gonna start filling up all the gaps. So make sure the sticky bit is all properly sticked in or you're gonna lose your design. I'm just gonna fill it like this. Just fill all the area. So once you apply all the henna on, you just take a cotton bud and just start spreading start filling up the rest of our space if we have left any. Be gentle and try not to bend your hand. Once this all is done, just leave it for 30 minutes. So because the henna is still wet, so it would give the henna to settle down, and I just need to wait for 30 minutes and we'll see the result after that. So as you can see, it's almost 30 minutes and I'm just gonna gently peel it off. One thing you need to make sure when you have this on, just keep your hand tightened as much as you can because the henna is still wet and because it's on the hand, so try not to bend your hands, and I will try to gently peel this away. See, it's a beautiful design. Okay, and I'm gonna leave this henna on until for a night over. Do not try to overgo with this after you peel it off. You can just do a wee bit touch or filling, but do not go through just in case you spoil your design. But this is beautiful. So you can revise this procedure on this hand. And I hope you guys like this and keep following and watching my videos and subscribe to my channel Neelam's Beauty Hub. And the next video would be about how to make these bracelets. So please follow up, keep watching to my channel and see how we make these bracelets in my next video. Take care, bye.